Hi. Now wow. This our country here, guy don't debut. Nobody want do ritual again.
He shock you.
This guy wey dey want go beg now sef. Okay. Hi. This Sapa strong.
He shock you.
House of the gods. Nobody want. Hey. Hope say nobody dey come. All these people now they go. And this how they see pass. Hey, I don't forget to carry sugar. For beg sugar too now, don't beg. Anyway.
You only you waka come.
Nothing. Come.
The eyes of the gods.
Hey!
The eyes of the gods.
How are you, my dear?
The eyes of the gods.
You are here.
I'm here. Oh.
You are here.
I am.
Welcome.
I brought the hair.
No, wait. Before any other thing, you have not said to me now.
Don't worry. The eyes of the gods. I will send you something. Okay, let me just give you this card. Let me give you this card. You are using POS now. Do you have POS?
Yeah, there's POS.
I trust you. Take this card. Take it first. I'm expecting something huge.
You think say they wise?
You're expecting something huge.
Yeah, something huge.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow, yes.
You give me your pin.
419.
The pin is 4198.
4198.
Okay.
Eyes of the gods.
You're welcome.
I am here.
So did you bring the...
Look at it. I brought it.
Aha.
I brought it.
Hey!
I know. You don't enter.
Ah!
You go enter now.
No, now. What is this? This thing now, Oyibo. This is an Oyibo hair.
Huh?
The gods rejected this one. They say this is Brazilian hair. Oga, let me speak the one you can understand. Now Brazilian hair be this. Take. Bring me correct woman
Okay,
hair.
no problem.
Don't
I'm
go and
ready
bring
for
me.
you. Look at it.
This thing na dada now. Madman hair na be this. You want to give my gods madman hair? I don't even need to ask them. This thing na madman hair. Take. I no need madman hair for here. Look for something better.
No
original. I need original
No
hair.
problem. Eyes of the
Nigeria
gods.
hair.
Eyes of the gods. I am ready for you. Check out. Check this one. Is it this year 2022? I must make it. I am ready.
This one wey dey like rope.
Check it now. That is human hair.
Oh. Hey. 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 Hey.
I said it will enter.
Hey.
What is it?
The God say this particular hair na for man wey don turn to woman. Na him get this hair. AKA transgender. Brother, this hair no go work. Take.
Eyes of the gods.
Look for woman hair. No go dey bring me man wey don turn woman hair. Bring me woman hair. You just dey bring me rub. It's like you don't want to make money this year. Oh.
Baba brought my bag.
You don't want to make money. Abi?
Baba brought. See, look at my bag. Look at it. Eyes of the gods. Check this one.
Hold on first. Let me see. Eyes of the gods. Let me see. Hey! Oh, bodo. Oh, bodo. Hey!
It will enter. It will enter.
Take. Hold on. You want to give my gods dandruff?
Dandruff?
No, you want to give my gods krokro?
No, it's not crocro.
This hair have krokro. Look at dandruff over the hair. You want to give the gods dandruff?
Okay, I'll go and wash it. Eyes of the gods.
The gods don't reject them already.
Eh?
Go and bring me another hair.
Goat hair, dog hair, monkey hair,
Hmm.
lizard hair, cockroach hair, mango hair, chuku hair.
You be
The
mumu.
gods have rejected this one already.
Think say they wise.
No. You can't reject all the whole hairs I've been bringing here now. Eyes of the gods. I don't bring all the whole hair for you. You reject them. Papa. Eyes of the gods. Wait now. And I won't make this money this year 2022. You're gonna reject all the whole hair. Oh yeah. Hey. Take this hair.
You are a mumu man.
Take this hair. Take her.
Oh,
$30 million.
money must be made.
$30 million.
Money must be made. Oh, money
Oh,
must be
banana.
made. Change.
My bag is here.
Money must be made.
Yeah, so.
Money must be made.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and you get this hair.
Let me get her.
You did very sure say that your hair be this.
Na me.
Are you James Okoro Nwachukwu?
You are a
Bah.
mumu man.
Oh! Eyes of the gods. Come here.
You be mumu.
Your hair be this.
Na my
Say
hair.
they wise.
They don't use you do money.
Hey. Oh! Eyes of the gods. They use me the money.
You are a failure. You are a
Okay,
failure.
now.
You can never make
They use
it.
me the money.
Hey! No triumph.
No.
No triumph.
I don't want to give you. I don't want to give eyes of the gods. I know. I know. Use me the money.
No even triumph.
Oh! Eyes of the gods.
Oh,
What are you
hey! As you are running with that Gary, you will run and eat Gary for the rest of your life. And you should thief. This brother don't have Gary now. Which I want.
Why are you running?